Business Bites, powered by Sagicor. Hello, I'm Cody Barrett with the Jamaica Observer's Business Bites for today. Mayberry Jamaican Equities, MJE, recorded a profit for the second quarter ending June 30, 2024, despite carrying out investments in a high-interest market space. The high-interest regime led to a decline in the value of equities as investors shifted from investing in stocks to buying bonds, an opportunity which MJE took advantage of to issue its own bonds to raise cash to shore up its cash reserves during the year.
We think looking forward to the end of 2024, especially with the reduction in interest rates, we're expecting that come year end, we should see a profit year to date for MJE based on the expectations that we see right now and the continued reduction in interest rates. So again, you see the resilience in the portfolio, and I think the word I would use, please don't kill me, I think this portfolio is now pregnant, and it's just a matter of when we will deliver this baby, and I think this baby is going to weigh a lot of pounds.
MJE reported a net profit of $799 million for 3 months from April to June 2024. This compares to a loss of $43 million for the corresponding period in 2023. MJE had also sold its 20% ownership stake in Caribbean Producers Jamaica, CPJ, at a price of $10.50 per stock, which was higher than the market value of $9 at the time. This sale, which took place on July 6, represented a 15% premium above the market price. MJE's investment manager representative, Gary Peart, told shareholders what MJE did with the cash from its sale.
We have paid down debt, and we've also used some of the cash to acquire other assets and also hold cash in reserve for the opportunities that may come down the pike.
During its annual general meeting, shareholders then raised questions about stocks in MJE's portfolio that are underperforming. But both Peart and Executive Director Christopher Berry justified MJE's position, specifically defending its stake in Edufocal. Despite its slow stock performance, MJE, citing its mission to provide education to underprivileged children, Mayberry views Edufocal as a dream stock due to its core values. Notably, 40% of children with over 10 years of schooling are functionally illiterate, and Edufocal is a key player in addressing this issue through its remote learning platform.
The big thing in Jamaica is the uptown kids, they go to the great schools and they have the best teachers and they have extra lessons and all of that. Edufocal's platform is designed in such a way that, for example, when the Ministry of Education does a contract with Edufocal, it's accessible to all the kids in Jamaica, and especially the one them we can't buy no extra lesson. So me in that. And if you have a problem with that, me accept it.
Mayberry Jamaican Equities anticipates that with the recent announcement of a reduction in interest rates, its equity portfolio is expected to see an increase in profits this year. And that's it for the Business Bites today. I'm Cody Barrett.